Alexa, turn on all hue lights.
Okay.
I would describe my style as function first and then comfort second. So if it's working well and it's comfortable, I feel like that creates a good place for me. You can design based off a trend or a style or a color theme, but you know, if it's not working right, it's never gonna really work for your space. So within this apartment, I've installed 14 different hue light products. There's strips and light bulbs. So I have the retrofit bulbs as well as ambient lighting behind the couch, behind the TV, around the bed. So every piece can be manipulated independently. So you can get a lot of variety in the color, which is actually a lot of fun when you start to animate the space. You put on music and you play the lights, and it's fun. There's definitely a Star Trek element to my style. Not only the technology, my dogs are named Miles, O'Brien, and Scotty from Next Generation and original Star Trek. Somebody tells me I'm a nerd. I am. Basically, the entire place is a DIY hack. The bed, which is on a hydraulic lift, so it moves up and down so I can access upstairs and downstairs. The staircase I built, it's a bookshelf staircase so that I didn't have to have a ladder to go upstairs. If I could offer advice about creating your own space, it's definitely not being afraid to customize it to what works for you. So if it's too dark, put as many lights in as you can. If something doesn't have enough room, just see what you can do to add a piece to it. There's a lot you can do in a small space.